we tifu edwa o beka say o manwom ne mo mesa manabo mesha asefo ba mpesa me man hu say if you got the ears for good music esa utie nwu we more than 2 minutes and one was there a guy correct pa. Let's take it one more time from the top.
Conditions that I call him my God, oh, God, oh, my God, oh, yeah. He bless me, he do me, wally, wally, he do me, wally, wally, oh, my God, my God, God, oh, my God, I call him my God, oh, ever knowing, ever worthy God, oh, God, God, oh, my God, oh, my God, oh, I call him my God, oh, yeah, my Savior, my Redeemer, my Protector, God, you were there for me anytime I call on you, my God, my God, I had a young man who did it. My children now will give me God. My money will give me God. My voice now will give me God. God, oh, God, oh, my business now will bless them. God, my marriage now will bless them. God, my strength now will give me God. Tie hase, tie base. Hey, God, oh, God, oh.
I had the voice, to sing this song. Like, oh my goodness. Hey! Rose, why you now? And I'm not there. This is a beautiful song. Yeah. Trust me. And no papa. You can join us live on Facebook. Oh my God. There are lots of people there watching us right now. So Adom 106.3 FM on Facebook. Also bet me join and then you can join us with your comments as well. Beje Brenny Abwechi. Yeah. Eddie Amount. Wow. Now God. Why are there say okay said this time there?
Yeah.
Oh my brofo. no about albums no like unnoticed. It is good because this is a very powerful song.
That's right.
I am now in Pimpin Debiana kumcha na anya de adin anya we no masa uze utie nwum yie na do adwin di akira. That's right. It takes you somewhere.
That's right.
It takes you somewhere. The hotel and the obeti. It's a nice song. Why are dear? Pa? All right. So now God is out there. For being now think I'll say we are launch no, but because of Corona, so now we there. Cause trainer Corona. Wako cross because now me can be released in April during the launch no, there are people who need to be blessed by this song because onim say wa achieve a lot nim de ne nyansa na ama na achieve but onim say ye nyame say nyame ama wo sa nyansa na untumi achieve ne wenya. It's a kind of testimony to people who love Adjei and Adjei's ministry. I want to let them know who Adjei is, whatever that I have become. But if I'm not mistaken, Mecca said this side said your strength lies here more than the tree. Yeah, Charlie, because oh man, performing live, doing this kind of songs, and when we were listening, I was like, you a powerful voice for this kind of songs, you know. It's we say no ban say no. I mean, a best champion that say I mean, or strength or honumpa. Why are they? God bless you. So now, what's the plan? Now that I say album launch 80 years when now you press all the single what's the plan like going forward?
We are going to release the album. We are going to bring it out there. The only thing we have is the online music stores and only the releases. So maybe when it comes to the virtual concert, they may try and answer because once I maybe programming. I spent a lot. Billboards, I invested so much into some because I'm classic, blessed lives, because the finance and that support is not there. Into we are bringing it out on the social media like outlets, like online stores. So would have the feel. See, I call YouTube. The lyrical video. Okay. And I said, I'm holding on to the video because with this kind of song, you know, to me, video.
It's a
video, classic. Yes, a video is speaking.
Video be a powerful part. Yeah, my pastor friend in Dubai is listening to the show. So Bernard, greetings going out to you. He just sent a message, my kind dear, but what am I mean? On one message, he said, "Your can main can is up, I say, yes, great song." And I want my thumbs up. No, what they are nice song.
I must say, I'm so confused on how to do the video because we show me videos. You can't get lost. Yeah. From the first album down. Me videos in speaks my songs. Into now, mommy, share choir me first one. Mema video. Obiati video netia. You can't move. You will feel what I'm talking about. And to know, and because of that, the challenge be about out. Na God challenge. The person will be a wolf. As a human boy, now the person who said, "What video?" That's it. Now I send your mom into me team better than us into wow, be ya dear pano. Now me do work at the official video of Nagod.
Wow. That's nice, and I know a lot of people will be interested in that. And social media handles near saying, and if there's a WhatsApp number be to that or something, me okay. Interested no.
Yeah, we hear Adjei on Facebook. Adjei.
Okay.
On my page, Rose Ashley Adjei's Ministries, and on Instagram, Rose_Ashley_Adjei.
Wow.
On Twitter is Adjei 30.
we hear me susu on my on YouTube, and you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, Rose Adjei. Who are we here? Subscribe. This is because video no like the lyrical video, so you can see the lyrics and everything of the song. Konako shia because now God challenge in the me pesa we part. So when we need being part of the video crowd now, you have a lunch date with Rose Adjei.
Wow.
And also see another great privilege.
That's nice.
You get to see me one-on-one. We talk together. You get to know who Rose Adjei.
Yeah.
So who person who friend me, so I'm patching to my friend me was 0241 45 8279. 0241 45 8279.
Right, Rose, you better one say we say what be blessing. I mean, me say enum ewura makoma musa, especially gospel na ewura makoma musa na it me change me bibia oh but obi adwuma ye wan we ya na ye nonsense we munye nya sa dia ka o ka me ya to so akosa because enum na ewura makoma honestly yes
it's a good song because obi bia we tie enum ni na edi one dance positive and no chere say yes, sure. Maybe a day is coming, maybe a better international collaboration with a foreign artist.
Nice one.
Another style or another side of
girl, yes. We're here for you. So there, stretchy. You be very fine. Rosie, I better ask you for blessing us this afternoon. And if there's something you want to say finally and someone comes from.
Well, me person me da obi biara was supporting Rose Adjei all these years. Sometimes a too near a ding crana or person will give you up crana. There are one or two people on me from crying.
And how can you say
on me catch now my way we said
no crying you move your goose
my way we said ye no kofu ye blessed intime ma wa be mumbu. And these are the things that keeps us standing. Inti obi biara wa support Rose Adjei or friend me or shamin crying or bompai mommy or to be full. Baby bio will be a nyankopon enshira no no ye ne kese. There are people who wish say Rose Adjei if our level we are him. As you are praying for me, o nyankopon so peja o ma so nko woni. There is a team I have mini producer, but I have a team of good people on my back together to make sure say Rose Adjei ministry be konenim. And wherever they are, Team Rose, I love you guys. Meaning say you wish me well, and that's the same way I wish you well. Rose Adjei WhatsApp group. Omo frɛ me di bibi to omo posti. I love you guys. So omo follow me on my page. I love you. Me fans asofo omo krom ha nyina. Omo do Rose Adjei. Nyankopon shira mo no nye omo kese anyum to fo nyina so omo do Rose Adjei omo support me. Me mamalistic mama o tie me baby bia o bia. Nyame shira no me husband. O tie me o hwe Nyankopon shira no me ma. I want to wish him a happy Father's Day in advance. Meaning say a Sunday to me wishing in advance. O Nyankopon shira no nya nikese. Power Dominion members na masafuma. Ya me shira mo pa ne mo mpa ebo amodi time chi. Ma me fu a ma fa me say ma me no mo to me fu no mo bon pa ma me. Ya me shira mo no nya mo kese. And every friend is a presenter or DJ for pushing Rose Adjei. It's been 7 years in the music industry. Now me celebrating my 7th year and a quarantine. I'm a man celebrating, but Bible say I didn't di Corona fees all high, but a baby yeni. And if you need Rose Adjei song, is on all online stores, Amazon, iTunes, Spotify, Kohosisia, and go and download. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Rose Adjei. Uncle Jerry,
Amen. No showers.
Yes, 2,000 years ago as a Chinese film. But
oh man. Okay, so 27 minutes after 4. Ogusuti 106.3 FM. Me patro Rose and Sana Bekon me pese oya this one there just a minute. Just a minute. Asembia eda wakoma so apese oka. Ede man ya yeti unana yedi tu ye hofo. Me pese ode man just a minute.
We meyi sasam we am pese me de to obi bi otie me fo meyi was Psalm 113 verse 7. Bible say eye onyankopon no yi ohiani efri mfuturo mu na weyi mobrofo ni ana mobroni efisum na so no de nesi mapon mantina bia eye nyankopon na de ni daso eba nipa abrabom yenum bebre ye de hu to nipa so nipa di yeramo but in there we me kanfo Yesu Kristo amaw ono ni butantima sa wo de wo kyere na wo mpanhwe de biara da. In this time corona na eba ye no, it came to teach a lot of people lesson, but still bebre omunhia de. This is the time esese wo twiri nyankopon na wo twiri ni ye bisa wo hu corona baye wo dofo ana obi a wo ofra wo se na danfo kofo ahin kwa na efa phone fra wo bisa wo se wo mpom ti sen eye nyankopon na ebo wo hu ban hwe wo so enti so obi ahye wo bo so obeye bibia ma wo nti wayi wo hu ana wayi we free nyankopon akiri dia me kanfo Yesu Kristo ama yi wa danfo ni sinchen na hwehwe Yesu Kristo na fa wo hu twiri ni ye na to ne eden a ono no obehye ne ho animunyam e wo abrabom obebo ho ban obekasa ma obeko ama no de ubedu mpempenso ono nyame de wedu se wehu se obi epeje du baby a office ni daso asa me de bia me kama asam se enhwe obi asa mfansa wasa esan se obi na ye straight wo de ye bolege intanhwe asa obesa ebefata no wo san fata wo okay tie nyankopon na di nyankopon akiri na ne nyame ka se obeye wo abrabo me say onyame onye otrofo. He's not a man that he should lie, neither a son of man that he should repent. Ne waka fa wo hu biara obeye hye onu ne nyankopon ne die ne onyame nhyiraw na onye wo kese.
Amen.
Amen.
Amen. Yeah, that's a pa. Tie na ya somewhere di tu ye ho fo no. Rose Adjei Adaroma ena ode ema ye. Yen first was da ma MTN. Ebacho MTN say etoda won say no MTN bibia ba so we dey mu ye pa ma me subscribe. Na wa subscribe to our service we. But one another one bia ba na wa subscribe. Na wa when it be bounce na wa subscribe to chese nyama bebre. Afedu ba bia fa phone na wa hwe no wa ye kura na owura fi short code kura. Wo dey yes ade na ate afa so. Anything any MTN more control of your mobile experience with *175 hash. Yes, oba be view wa subscriber and now wa cancel subscriptions. Unya biem kra. Ninya that was one place without the stress of searching for the short codes. That's simple. One short code. What the baby, yeah. Just dial *175 hash.